Hey YouTube, it's time to clean out the drain on my AC unit. I should have done this in the beginning of summer, but it's now the end of summer. I should also do this once a year, but now I've waited. It's actually my second year and it's time to do it. You see how dirty it gets after 2 years of non-clean out.
And if you're new to my channel and you find my video interesting, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Alright then, time to clean out the water drain of my central air AC system. So this is the water drain from my AC unit. We follow it along, it goes down, bottom, and then it goes out into the floor drain out the back. The old system, the water used to drain out and there was an old P-trap right over here. And so I made my own P-trap and moved it to the bottom. And as you can see, I made my own DIY P-trap right here with a clean out. And like I said before, the original P-trap was a bad design since you cannot clean it out. And if you want to learn how to make your own DIY P-trap with a clean out, check out my video right here. By doing this, you'll extend the life of your AC unit. So this was my old P-trap before, right here. As you can see, it's a bad design because it has no clean out. And after many years, the debris inside stuck in the clean out became like mud and clogged the drain. Water started to leak out and made a big puddle at the bottom of my AC unit, which was a red flag that told me something was wrong. Therefore, I moved the P-trap down here and made my own DIY P-trap with a clean out that I can clean out once a year, or at least once every 2 years, like I'm doing right now. And so the first thing I do before I get started is go to my thermostat and put it on the off position, like so. Then I'll unscrew the cap right over here. Then I ready a small bucket to catch all the debris. And so at the bottom of my P-trap is this screw valve. I twist it to the left, lefty-loosey, to open up the valve. And check it out guys, I'll put it in slow motion so you can see all the debris. So check it out, after a few years, all the debris is gonna harden and turn to mud, like it did with my old P-trap. And by doing this, at least once every 2 years, you will extend the life of your AC system. And I'll put a small funnel to a spot right over here and run it out with some warm water. This will ensure all debris will be flushed out. Once properly flushed out, take your funnel and put the cap back on. And a quick clean of your screw valve and you're ready to put it back on. Just hand tighten, righty tighty. So it's that easy and you're good for another year or two. So if you guys found this video interesting and helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you always get my latest video. Thanks for watching.